Hello everyone and welcome to GIS. Today in this video I'll show you the steps to complete the georeferencing of map with ArcGIS. So at first let us understand what is georeferencing. Georeferencing is the process of assigning geographic coordinate from reference systems such as latitude and longitude. Many times these coordinates are obtained by doing field survey collecting coordinates with GPS devices for few easily identified features in image or maps. Now let's understand control points. Control points play a key role in determining the accuracy of transformation. Control point for an image to map transformation are usually called ground control points. Ground control points are the points where both the image's coordinates and the real-world coordinates can be identified. Ground control points are those features that shows up clearly as a single distinct pixel. For example, road intersection or a small pond. Now I'll discuss and demonstrate using ArcMap to georeference hard copy map for the use in ArcGIS. This is a great way to use information found on old paper maps and integrate that data into GIS project. To start, we need to have a map scanned and saved as GIS readable format. Common image formats such as TIFF, JPEG, PNGs and GIF will work. For example, here I am using JPEG. For georeferencing a map, we should know the coordinate system and the projection used to create it. For many maps, it may not be possible to locate, so we'll advise checking any accompanied information or metadata for projection information. For now, we can find the projection information under the title and set it using WGS 1984. To set our coordinate system, we are going to start by opening a new blank arc map. Now, as you can see, a blank arc map is opened. Next, in order to set the coordinate system, go to Table of Content and right-click on the layer icon. A flyout is displayed. From the flyout, select Properties option and the Data Frame Property dialog box is displayed. Click on Coordinate System tab and look at the current coordinate system box. So here you can see that there is no coordinate system information set for our ArcMap document. So now go to the box above and expand Geographic Coordinate System and set the geographic coordinate system by navigating to WGS 1984. So now expand World WGS 1984. So select that and click on Apply and then OK. So the coordinate has been applied here. As you can see, it has been converted to decimal degrees. Our next step will be to add the scan map and the reference map. And then we'll choose the label reference map that is spatially accurate and displays similar feature to the map that we will give the location to. In this example, I am going to use the outline of Gujarat state that will go with the map. As the shapefile uses WGS 1984 coordinate system, so this is going to work well with the scan map because that is the coordinate system we use to create the map. Now in order to add the data in the data view area, so click on add data. Add data dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, browse to the location, and if you're not able to find any folder here in this box, then click on connect to folder. The connect to folder dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, browse to the location and navigate to that folder. And then after that, click on OK. After that, select the shapefile and then click on Add. So here is the shapefile which is added. Double click on this icon. The symbol speculator dialog box is displayed. From this dialog box, select hollow and click OK. So here is the image which is got hollow. After that, we'll add JPEG file. So in order to do that, click on Add Data. The Add Data dialog box is displayed. From this dialog box, select the JPEG image and click on Add Data. The unknown special reference warning box is displayed. It tells us that there is no coordinate information. And then choose OK button in this warning box to open the file. And by default, the images that have no coordinate information in ArcMap will be placed at top corner. So you are not going to see it. So now we'll start georeferencing the file. But before that, if the georeferencing toolbar is not displayed here in the gray area, then click on the gray area where no tool is activated. So here you can see a list. From this list, choose georeferencing. So here is the tool which appears. Now on this toolbar you can see a drop-down menu which displays the raster file added in the map. As you can see, Gujarat.jpg is been given here. Now drag this toolbar in the gray area and adjust it. Next, in the georeferencing toolbar, click on Georeferencing tool. A drop-down list appears. From this drop-down list, select Fit to Display. And this is going to fill your current view with the entire map. So it's pretty close what we want to be. To do this, we need stable features that have maintained the location over long time, such as state corners. Basically the features that are permanent. So let's start adding points. To do this, we need to identify a good ground control point. Zoom in the map in order to see that. After that, choose Add Control Points from the Georeferencing toolbar and then start adding control points. Now click the first control point in the scan map and then on the reference map. And it's important to remember that when we are adding ground control points, so at first we need to click on the image and then on the shapefile. So keep on adding the points until it's georeferenced fully. We need to spread out. Do not add the control points in one location. So here it is. They're almost near. You can check it. You can add 2-3 more points as I'm adding here. Here also you can add. So zoom in the map and check it nicely where you have to add. Now again here. So here you can see it's almost done. Now let's see the viewing table. So click on viewing table in the georeference toolbar. The link table dialog box is displayed. Now in this table we can see each of the ground control point added appears as a record in the table. At the bottom we have drop down box, that is the transformation drop down box, which lets us know which transformation is available. This table also displays residuals as you can see in the right hand side. Ensure that lower the residual value, the better is the ground control point. Also, to improve the georeferencing, select the high residual value and click on Delete Link. We can generally add 10 to 20 ground control points when georeferencing. But if the scan map closely matches the projection and the coordinate system we picked, we mainly need lesser ground control points, as I have taken here 8 to 9 ground control points. Once we are satisfied with the result, now it's time to save the control points. So in order to save the control points, click on Save button in the link table. The Save As dialog box is displayed. In this dialog box, browse to the location and enter the file name in the File Name Edit box. Also ensure that text is selected from the Save As type drop-down list and then choose Save button. The dialog box is closed and the file is saved in the specified location. And then choose Close button in the Link dialog box. Next, in order to save the actual raster image file, choose Georeferencing tool. A flyout is displayed. From the flyout, choose Update Georeferencing. And the new raster file is automatically saved to that location. So that's all. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned.